gonna add a nice heaping tablespoon of the sofrito that we make. Find that recipe and the complete guide to the Nepalese cat. All right, preparation for making the sofritos. Here we have bunches of cilantro. We have bunches of culantro. We have these, they're dolce peppers, or when you go to the Spanish store, just make sure you don't confuse these for the habaneros because they look a lot alike. But the dulce pepper is, they're very sweet. They give you a great flavor. We have some sweet banana peppers we're putting in there. A red one. We have onions. We have scallions as well. And then we have garlic. We'll add olive oil once I get this chopped up, and then we'll put it in the food processor and blend it down. And once I get all this blended down and we add olive oil to it, I'll show you what the mixture is. You taste it. You can add any additional things you want. Sometimes in the garden we'll have like broccoli leaves that we cut off the plant and we add that to it. It's a variance once you start cooking with it and you start like making the sofrito rice or putting it on chicken, or a sofrito chicken, or on your shrimp, or use it in several things, like we used it in our dandelion Nepalese soup that we're making as well. So yeah, let's get started. Cutting the stems off the dulce peppers. Here we are with everything going to the food processor. We're just mixing it up really well. You don't really want any clumps when you're using this, either as a marinade, putting it on shrimp, chicken, putting it in your soups. I love the rice when we do the sofrito rice, and then put a little grilled chicken on top of that. Oh my gosh, it is so good. If you can smell this, it is just, it's wonderful. It's all fresh, it's all beautiful. Get it to taste, salt and pepper it. That's the simple sofrito, really easy to do. Live, love, and cook.